Step into a sun-drenched tropical haven where light filters through lush palms. From the plush sectional to the pool, find your sanctuary in this world of pure luxury. Discover a secluded backyard retreat where sunlight warms the lush wooden deck. With plush seating and vibrant palms, this modern patio offers a peaceful slice of paradise. Relax in a modern oasis where a sparkling pool meets lush greenery. From the cozy fire pit to the sunlit deck, every detail invites you into a world of pure, serene luxury. Bask in the golden glow of a sunset over this minimalist oasis. With a sunken fire pit and swaying palms, this serene retreat blends modern comfort with natural beauty. Step through glass doors into a serene patio embraced by lush tropical greens. With plush seating and dappled sunlight, this modern escape offers a perfect moment of peace. Unwind under the modern pergola of this lush tropical sanctuary. From the plush sofa to the sparkling pool, the warm, dappled sunlight creates a haven of elegant relaxation. Escape to a private oasis where a gray sectional invites deep relaxation. With a sun-drenched deck and lush palms, this modern retreat is the definition of pure serenity. Experience the seamless flow of indoor-outdoor living in this lush retreat. With a sparkling pool and shaded lounge, discover a private oasis bathed in warm, bright sunlight. Breathe in the calm of early morning on this spacious, modern patio. Surrounded by tropical greenery, the comfortable seating creates an inviting space for true relaxation. Retreat to a backyard paradise where a sparkling pool reflects the sun. With a cozy fire pit and vibrant foliage, this secluded oasis offers the ultimate in tranquility. Relax on a spacious deck where warm sunlight highlights rich wood and lush greens. Beneath the large umbrella, find a sophisticated sanctuary, perfect for quietly unwinding. Step out onto a warm wooden deck where modern comfort meets tropical beauty. With a sparkling pool and lush palms, this sunlit patio is a serene invitation to truly relax. Ascend to a raised deck oasis where dappled sunlight dances on white cushions. Surrounded by lush palms and a modern home, this serene spot is the height of pure opulence. Bask on the golden hour glow of this lush garden retreat. With colorful cushions and a winding stone path, this serene deck invites you to deeply enjoy the elegance of nature. Enjoy the sophisticated calm of a sun-drenched patio beneath a modern pergola. With lush tropical plants and comfortable seating, this is a bright, truly inviting escape.